Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Goulding as a remote settlement. Goulding sits just over the Arizona-Utah border, surrounded by wide desert lands and distant sandstone formations. It is not a traditional town in the usual sense. Instead, it exists as a small, self-contained settlement shaped almost entirely by geography and isolation. The area developed out of necessity rather than planning. Early residents settled here because it offered access to water, shelter, and trade routes in an otherwise harsh environment. Distance defines daily life. Larger towns are far away and services are limited, reinforcing the sense that this is a place people pass through rather than gather in. Buildings are sparse and functional. There is no dense main street or town centre. Structures are spread out, framed by open land rather than neighbouring houses. That spacing reflects the realities of living in a desert environment where land is abundant but resources are not. The surrounding landscape dominates everything. From nearly any point, the horizon feels wide and uninterrupted. The scale of the land makes a settlement feel small by comparison. This contrast between human presence and natural space is constant and unavoidable. Life in Goulding has always required self-reliance. Supplies, fuel, and essentials must be planned for rather than assumed. Weather, road conditions, and distances all influence daily routines. Even today, the settlement operates with an awareness that help and services are not immediately nearby. Despite its size, Goulding holds a clear sense of place. It functions as a waypoint, a pause between long stretches of travel. Vehicles stop, refuel, rest, and continue on. The settlement exists because movement exists. Without the surrounding roads, there would be little reason for it to remain. Goulding is not defined by growth or expansion. It remains steady, small, and practical. Its significance comes from location rather than population. In a region where distance matters, Goulding serves as a reminder that even the small settlement can play an important role simply by being there.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.